€57,600 for a family SUV with 272 horsepower that you only fill up once a month. That price sounds insane until you realize what Volkswagen just pulled off. This is the new Tiguan eHybrid R-Line Plus, and it's the plug-in hybrid everyone else should have built years ago. Start with the outside. The R-Line Plus package adds 20-inch black alloy wheels and gloss black trim that makes this look far more expensive than it is. The LED light bar stretches across the full width at both ends. It's subtle aggression without trying too hard. Pop the hood. This is where the magic happens. You get a 1.5-liter turbocharged petrol engine producing 177 horsepower. That's paired with an electric motor. Total system output, 272 horsepower. But here's what matters. The 19.7 kilowatt-hour battery is almost double the size of the old Tiguan eHybrid. That gives you 120 kilometers of pure electric range. That's 75 miles before you burn a single drop of fuel. Most families never drive more than 60 kilometers a day, which means this becomes a full electric car for 99% of your life. The 6-speed DSG transmission sends all that power to the front wheels. It launches hard enough to chirp the tires even in electric mode. 0 to 100 kilometers per hour happens in 7.2 seconds. That's Golf GTI territory in a family SUV. When the battery runs flat, the petrol engine kicks in seamlessly. Total combined range exceeds 900 kilometers on a single charge and full tank. Charging is where Volkswagen finally got serious. You can plug into an 11 kilowatts home charger and fill the battery in under 3 hours, or hit a DC fast charger at 50 kilowatts and grab enough juice for your commute in 30 minutes. That's unheard of flexibility in this segment. The R-Line Plus cabin feels lifted straight from the Touareg. You get quilted leather seats with heating, ventilation, and massage functions. All 3 zones get independent climate control. The 15-inch touchscreen dominates the dashboard and actually responds when you touch it. The digital cockpit is fully configurable. Voice control powered by ChatGPT handles everything without you digging through menus. Back seats offer genuinely usable legroom for adults. The panoramic sunroof makes the cabin feel massive. Boot space sits at 490 liters with the seats up. That's down from 652 liters in the regular Tiguan because of the battery placement. But you still get underfloor storage for charging cables. Fold the rear seats and you unlock 1,486 liters. Here's the part nobody talks about. This eHybrid qualifies for just 5% company car tax in the UK. That saves fleet drivers over £400 per month compared to a diesel Tiguan. For private buyers in Europe, you skip congestion charges and pollution fees in most major cities. The real-world efficiency is staggering. Drive it like a normal person with regular charging, and you'll see triple-digit MPG figures. 1 week of mixed driving returned over 90 MPG. The competition can't match this. The Ford Kuga plug-in hybrid gives you 40 miles of electric range. The Kia Sportage plug-in hybrid manages similar. The Tiguan eHybrid nearly doubles both. And it undercuts the BMW X1 xDrive 30e on price while offering more space and better tech. So here's the reality. The 2026 Volkswagen Tiguan eHybrid R-Line Plus starts at £48,360 in the UK. That's roughly €57,600 across Europe. In the US, Volkswagen doesn't offer the eHybrid yet, but the SL R-Line Turbo with 268 horsepower starts around $44,560. For that money, you get a premium family SUV that runs on electricity 99% of the time, costs almost nothing to charge at home, drives like a hot hatch when you want it to, and never makes you choose between performance and efficiency. The question isn't whether the Tiguan eHybrid is worth the money, it's why anyone would still buy a regular hybrid. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I read every single one. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified about my next upload. See you in the next video.